Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon hand holding a phone. But before I do that, I just want to quickly say, if you're new here, please subscribe because it'll really help the channel. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is draw the phone. And this is quite easy to do. If you're not quite sure how to draw a phone, just look at your own phone. That's what I did with this drawing. And you can draw it light if you want at first and then just draw it properly afterwards. Then we need to use the technique that I showed you in the other videos. And if you haven't seen them yet, you should go back and probably watch them first. And what the technique is, if you remember, is just using a line, a circle, another line for the thumb. Here it's curved, and then long lines for the fingers. Now the fingers probably should be like a bit more curved and stuff really, but you're not going to see any of the center bit. You're not going to see the hand behind the phone. So it doesn't really matter what the fingers look like behind the phone, you know? It's just the parts that show that you need to think about. Okay, so now that you've drawn the framework, you need to draw the hand. So draw around the lines, like we did in the other videos. And you should get something that looks a bit like this. Now for the fingers, you just draw round shapes like that because that's all you see really, just the tips of the fingers. And then here it is without the framework underneath. And that's it. How to draw a cartoon hand holding a phone. If you enjoyed that video, please subscribe and leave a like.